The destruction of religion in any form or manifestation is a barrier to communication and mutual understanding. In a somewhat strange and rare occurrence, a woman converted to Islam in 1997. She was non-Muslim and converted to Islam in 1997. A lawsuit was filed under number 560 for the year 2024 regarding this matter. So what happened? What happened is that after she converted to Islam and declared her faith, her father and mother passed away. Her siblings issued an inheritance declaration. The inheritance declaration was issued without her name. They did not include her name. As a result, the inheritance was distributed and so on without her. She filed a lawsuit against them and simply demanded her legitimate right to the inheritance. In turn, they contested her right to the inheritance due to the difference in religion, meaning she requested the annulment of the inheritance declaration and they requested the dismissal of her lawsuit based on Article 6 of Law 77 of 1943 regarding inheritance, which simply states that a difference in religion is a barrier to inheritance. And this is a fundamental principle in the texts of Islamic Sharia. In the reasoning of its ruling, it stated their argument very clearly, saying that Islamic Sharia and the laws issued regarding inheritance and the determination of shares are the ones that must be applied in inheritance matters related to non-Muslim Egyptians, including the determination of inheritance and the transfer of the estate to them. And Article 6 of the Inheritance Law number 77 of 1943 states that there is no inheritance between a Muslim and a non-Muslim, and non-Muslims inherit from each other. Inheritance is due according to Article 1 of the law upon the death of the deceased. So the criterion for preventing inheritance is the difference in religion at the time of death. Whose death? The deceased, or being considered dead by a court ruling. The court based its judgment on very important points, which are the rules, principles, and judgments of the Court of Cassation regarding inheritance due to differences in religion. That's why the court stated that there is no inheritance between a Muslim and a non-Muslim, and non-Muslims inherit from each other. However, if there is a difference between a Muslim and a non-Muslim, there is no inheritance between them. This was Islam Maher, a doctor of law